Okay. Well, I went out to get eggs, and this is all there was. So, let me show you what this looks like. It looks like a sausage. Looks like a sausage egg. Long and skinny. So I don't know what's going to be in it, but let's see. Let's see. I'm going to give it to Jasper because I don't really know what's going on with it. Okay. Might be okay. Ah, no yolk. Isn't that wild? So, no yolk. How about that? Okay. Well, Jasper's gonna get this. You like that, Jasper? He says, I like egg white. It's just egg white. He wasn't very excited because I think the yolk is a good thing. Sit. Do you like the yolks better? Yes, they're so good. All right, Jasper. Say bye-bye. Thanks for the egg.